Alright, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad from Zulkifli, and now I'm going to proceed on doing task 4 for mini project IoT 2. Okay, from here, this task 4. For this task 4, we will be needing to install a tunneling software tool uh, like which is ngrok. And after that test the RESTful IP address with a new address or endpoint using the VS Code under client expansion with using the VS Code under client extension. Okay, from here I'm going to show you how to update. I'm going to explain to you how to install this Grok software tools. Okay, uh, as you can see here, this is uh, this is a ngrok software tools website, which you will be needed to register in order to download your ngrok file. And by doing so, after by after you register the new Gmail, the new email, you will you can go to here, download installation, download here. You going to download this file, and then we get to this uh, file that you had, which actually you're going to need to extract, and you will get with this ngrok file here. After you install this, you can't just use it right off the box. You need to set up the you going to set up this website file in your computer or your laptop by first you're going to copy this address link, and then you're going to need to open this view advanced system setting. And after from here, going to environment variable and going to the path, double click here, and from the link that you have copied, you will need to select new, and then you can paste the link that you have copied in here, which actually I already did. As you can see here, this is the link. So you will only need to do it once. If not, you might have either your file will be corrupted, or your file may not be work stably. Okay, now I'm going to proceed on doing this. First, double click the ngrok file that you download, and then from here you're going to need to open back this website that you download the ngrok file, and the requirement here, to ex to use that, you need to copy this link here and then paste over here, enter, and right after that, to know if it's success or not, it will say here the token is safe to configure file, which already been said. Now after you insert the first link, you will need to insert the second link, which is actually from here, and then you paste. But before you enter, you have to change the number that from 8080 to your address number that you're using, which actually what I'm using is 5000 number of the 5000. Now I get now the session status is online, which actually can be it's ready to be used. Now I'm going to keep it for a moment and open command prompt. Now I'm going to open my document, the document for my previous task, because it will be easier to it will be easier for me to write all the code. Okay, now after you got access to your file, you need to activate the file by typing uh, this Prjct activate activate. So as you can see here, it's already been activated. And to check if all the file that were needed to coding is inside this file mini IoT, I'm going to do a type IP list. Now as you can see here, all of this is what we needed in order to continue on coding. After that, you can open your file indirectly to VS Code. Okay, now that you have opened, uh, you will also need to run a debug of Plus. As you can see here, this is the reason why you need to type 5000, because this link will connect will will connect us to the program, and the end block will connect to this link here. Okay, now I'm going to copy this link from the end block, and open a new win open a new window, Microsoft Edge, and this. And from here, You'll be waiting for a moment. Don't press enter yet because we're going to open the Thunder client and change the IP address here. That paste and also this, copying this. After that, copy all, go to the locus of edge that we just paste, then you paste it. Enter. We can but first we're going to check from here. As you can see here, all the data from the MongoDB compass have been passed. All the data is checked. Now it should be all the data from the here going to be shown in this Microsoft Edge. As you can see here, all the data is here. Now I'm going to try on. I'm going to test all this function whether it works or not on this link website, on the link software of ngrok. First thing first, I'm going to create a new one. Copy this line. I'm going to try on creating new ID here. We're going to input. Okay. Now here we're going to enter. As you can see, it was successful, and you can check back from here by press enter. You can see here's our data. Now going to we're going to try on detecting ID, the new ID that we just had, which is 7 here. Okay, they show all the data here. But to detect number 7, we're going to do the 7/7 here. Let's see. As you can see, it's been shown here. Now I'm going to try on update. No, you know what? I'm going to try delete the ID of 7. So immediate action. enter. As you can see, it was successful. And now we're going to try on update. As you can see, also successful. Now we're going to check all the data. So, as you can see here, the data of number 7 has disappeared. Now, I forgot to show you about what happened here. So, by doing so, as you can see in this website and this Microsoft Edge here, nothing changed because I just update the new data and then delete it afterwards. Now I'm going to try on deleting this data ID 6, which okay. Now enter. Okay, now that I have delayed the data of number 6, we're going to check whether it's still there or not. You can see it's gone because I already deleted it. And we're going to also check in this MongoDB Compass. You can see it's still there. To refresh, it's gone. So from here, as you can see, it works just fine. And that being said, everything turns out okay. Okay, now that's all for the task 4. Thank you.